Imagine a world having technology that can make a replica for anything and everything that is clear, concise, and very detailed. With artificial intelligence, 3D printing can innovate into a functional machine that makes anything and everything with any raw material. Issues about the machine is within reach too. AI models can find patterns to determine whether the issue is in the printer settings or slicing settings, which can result to a better combination of designs. And the benefits for the craftsmen. Having this machine can make a leatherman save more time in making and designing leather purses, shoes, and accessories. This is the future of 3D printing. They say AI is dangerous and can conquer the humans, but what's really dangerous is how they put them to use.